Okay, good evening, guys. Just a very quick forecast for this week. Gone through the charts, done a very brief top-down analysis. We are sitting in a nice area. There's not much to discuss in regards to what the market's going to do in the coming weeks, considering we are in a geopolitical situation at the moment. Obviously, the markets are a little bit haywire. However, they are doing what we expected to do. Obviously, in times of needing distress, as we did mention last week, currencies normally that are not stable and go to safeguarded currencies or safe haven currencies rather, they will see a decline in their liquidity. So effectively, USD has gone up, JPY has gone up, CHF has gone up, and gold has gone up, and consecutively, everything else that is traded open market on the retail and not seen as a safe haven currency has gone down. And we've seen that trend continue. As we can see, the weekly charts showing us very clearly GU is on a bearish week from last week. We are sitting in a nice area of equal lows where liquidity is currently sitting below us. And obviously this was an area where the market did effectively come out of demand and break structure to the intermediate side and leave liquidity here before it moved off. So we're currently on the weekly at an area of interest. There's liquidity below us, both on the weekly and then on the daily. We can see how it kind of pulls. So across the board, we've got liquidity sitting below us. This was an area that was respected previously. We came up lower, high, and then obviously the market has gone back down to retest what is a weekly demand as well as a daily demand. So it seems as though the daily demand has been attacked with an aggressive move to the downside. We can see here we had equal lows during the week, which are left behind. The market came, did a liquidity grab, spiked through on a Friday, and we are now sitting very nicely in this daily demand where 50% has been taken. So what we'd be probably looking for is to see if the market wants to continue sells. We'd want to see the market come back up, test this fair value gap that's getting left behind, and then either it will continue for sells to take the liquidity that sits below us here to then drive deeper, or it respects this area after taking the 50%, uses it as a zone of reversal, and then reverses up to take liquidity that's been left above and start targeting obviously areas in buys. Obviously, we're not going to make a prediction. It could go either way. We will see how Asia opens and then decide what we're going to do as we go into Monday. As again, Monday is usually a sketchy day depending upon how the market closes on a Friday. This is something where I would kind of hold off on trading on Monday until we don't get clear indication in regards to what the market wishes to do. And that initial move may be kind of the foundations of it may be laid on Monday before it kind of does the move that it wants to either way. If we go down onto the lower time frame, we can then see how this is kind of playing out. So the market obviously has been held up here at the 50%. We're seeing areas where lows are exposed, and we want to see if the market either comes back and tests this area to then buy out again, or we kind of go for the liquidity grab into the FVG on the higher time frame and then go for sells. We can look at this on the lower time frame. I haven't done it as yet, but again, we can see a lot of wicks up here. There's obviously areas of inefficiency and imbalance that have been left behind below supply that could effectively be, something to track the market to and then continue sells. But again, we will wait and see exactly what's happened. So the lower time frame also, we've got the same type of scenario happening where we have liquidity grabs and areas of liquidity sitting below us. So again, here we can just mark this up. We'll save me doing it in the morning, and we've seen a liquidity grab happen on the lower time frame here. Intermediate structure has been broken, but also a fair value gap has been taken. So this may also be an indication for sells. So we want to see exactly what happens with this as the market opens and see whether we get a reaction out of this zone that's left behind. Yeah, on the 15-minute. Okay, so that is the forecast. Very quick, below 5 minutes. Again, as with everything, if you have any questions, please do hit me up either in the comments on YouTube or Instagram. All the details are in the description, and you'll find me very responsive on Instagram rather than on YouTube. Take care, trade safe. I will be posting a few trades again during the week, but again, no live trade executions going to be set this month. I think we proved ourselves enough over the past couple of months to show what is capable. what is possible and the capabilities that we do have with this system that's been designed. A great week last week. 70R was cleared very easily in 2 days with some nice trades, and we're hoping now to obviously continue that run into the next week and for this month of March. We'll see where we end up with at the end of it. Okay, speak soon, guys. Take care. Trade safe. See you Monday. Bye.